Magandang araw po sa lahat. Nagbabalik po tayo sa panibagong tutorial. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create Google Classroom for the teachers and how to join Google Classroom for the pupils. So this is intended for those who will have online distance learning. Google Classroom is a free web service developed by Google for schools that aims to simplify creating, distributing, and grading assignments. The primary purpose of Google Classroom is to streamline the process of sharing files between teachers and students. So this is one of the online platform used by the teachers and students, widely used for online distance learning. Okay, let us now start on how to create Google Classroom. So pumunta muna tayo sa Google Search. In the Google Search, we are going to type here Google Classroom. Enter. So merong mga suggestions na binigay sa atin si Google. Let us click the Google Classroom, yung pinakaunang suggestion. As you see, meron na akong mga Google Classroom na dati pa, which I attended to. At yung iba, ginagamit ko rin sa aking klase. So, to create new Google Classroom, we are just going to click the plus button na nasa bandang upper corner ng inyong Google account. So, let us now create class. If you are the teacher, you are going to create class. Have the class name. Ang class name ko ay grade 6. Section. Lagay ko dito, JP Rizal. Subject, Science. Science 6, Room 5. Okay, let us now create. Okay, so ito na siya ngayon. Ito ang itsura ng ating Google Classroom. As you see, pwede nating palitan ang ating theme kasi science naman yung ating subject na nilagay. So pwede tayong mag-select dito ng gusto nating theme all about the subject na ituturo natin. So ako, ito yung pipiliin ko. Ayan. Select class theme para mapalitan siya, para magmukha talaga siyang about science. And then, ganito yung appearance ng Google Classroom. So, para siyang Facebook, or you can make announcements just like you are posting in your Facebook. So, say for example, mag-a-announce ako dito ng hello. Hello everyone. Ayan. So, just like posting in Facebook. Paano natin magagamit ang Google Classroom? So first, ang gagawin natin is we should add our pupils or students by pressing the people. Etong people na to, click natin. And then as you see, ikaw yung teachers and you can add your students. If you already know the email address of your students, pwede kayong mag-add or mag-invite dito ng pupils or students nyo. Say for example, ito yung i-add ko. Kung alam nyo yung email address ng inyong pupils. Yan. So, eto mag-a-appear siya. Let us invite. Okay, so yun, in-invite ko na. So, automatic, magsisend ng invitation si Google doon sa student na sinendan ko ng invitation. But, meron pang another way to invite students. Paano? So, balik tayo dun sa ating pinakang home screen ng ating Google Classroom. So, as you see, eto siya kanina, hindi ba? So, meron tayong makikita ditong class code sa baba ng section natin. I-display natin yung class code. So, eto yung class code ng ating Google Classroom. So, pwede natin tong i-copy, invite link, at isend sa group chat or messenger ng ating students. Ito yung kanilang ilalagay na class code to enter our Google Classroom. So, meron din tayo ditong generate meet link. So, i-click natin yung generate meet link. Okay, click generate meet link. Para saan to? So, ang class natin, meron lang tayong isang meet link na gagamitin throughout the school year. Etong meet link na to, provided by Google Classroom, no need na tayong gumawa ng panibagong Google Meet link. At kapag naisipan nating magkaroon ng virtual class, eto ng meet link na to ang isisend natin sa ating mga pupils or students. So, let us save. So, ayan na siya ngayon. Ito ang class code at ito ang meet link. Paano naman si student makakapasok sa Google Classroom na ginawa ni teacher? So, pupunta ulit tayo sa search bar ng Google and type Google Classroom. Then, select again the Google Classroom that we have used to create the Google Classroom sa teachers. Click the plus button and join class. And then, mag-a-appear dyan yung inyong email account and then yung class code kanina. Kinapi ko kanina and then ipipaste ko na lang siya. And then, click join. Nandito na ngayon tayo.
Kung cellphone naman ang gamit nyo, maaari kayong mag-join sa Google Classroom by installing first yung application ng Google Classroom sa Play Store. So, install natin Google Classroom. Ito siya. Ito yung icon niya and then click install. So, open po natin siya. Get started. Mamimili tayo ng email account. Ito ang pipiliin kong email account. Ito po ang itsura ng Google Classroom kapag sa cellphone po ginamit natin. And then, ang gagawin natin, click ulit natin yung plus button. And then, join class po tayo. Tapos, ilalagay po natin dyan yung code po na binigay ni teacher. And then, click join. Ayan po, nakapasok na tayo sa Google Classroom na ginawa ni teacher.